From raw cork to engineered sheets. This is how nature becomes innovation. Cork material from processing is fed into industrial grinders. The machines break it down into fine, uniform granules, the foundation of composite cork sheets. The granules enter rotating mixers where binding agents are added, creating the perfect blend. The mixture pours into molds and transfers to compression presses. Under intense heat and pressure, something remarkable happens. The granules fuse together, forming solid cork blocks. The fresh cut sheets pass through calibrating rollers that smooth them, ensuring uniform density throughout.
Their work was absolutely good. The technicians who visited our place were extremely professional. They knew the intricacies of how to shoot a product, and we are very delighted with their service quality.